Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the NRTR Indicator, which stands for Nick Rypock Trailing Reverse. This tool focuses on tracking trends and plotting dynamic trailing levels that can highlight potential reversals. By the end of this video, you understand what it plots on the chart, how the trailing line behaves, and which settings control its responsiveness. The NRTR indicator is a trend following tool that plots a line above or below price to represent a dynamic trading level that shifts with market movement. When the market is in an uptrend, the line typically appears below price as a trading level, and in a downtrend, it appears above price as a potential resistance or protective level. When price crosses this line, the indicator reverses aside, signaling a possible change in trend direction. On the chart, the NRTR plots a single line that moves step by step with price, as you can see on the chart, either trailing below an up move or above a down move. As long as price stay on one side of the line, the indicator is reflecting the current trend direction. When price closes through the line, the plotted level flips to the other side. These flips can be viewed as potential reversal movements, while the ongoing line position shows where the trailing level currently sits relative to price. The main parameter is the step size or multiplier, which determines how closely the NRT line trails behind price. Smaller steps values keep the line nearer to price and make it more sensitive to changes, whereas larger values places it farther away and reduce frequent flips. There's also a period setting that controls the look back window used in the calculation, influencing how smooth or reactive the line appears. Visual settings allow you to adjust color, thickness, and style of the NRTR line for clearer chart readability, as you can see here. Now, who is it for? The NRTR indicator is suitable for traders who want a clear, line-based view of prevailing trend direction and trading levels across Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. As a trend following tool, it is lagging and can generate delayed or whipsaw reversals, especially in sideways or low volatile markets. It should therefore be combined with other confirmation methods and risk management rather than being used as a standalone trading solution. You can download the NRTR indicator using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek is designed to show how the trailing reverse line behaves so you can read trend direction flips more confidently with ease. If you enjoy clear indicator breakdowns like this, subscribe to the Forex Geek channel and turn on notifications for more Forex focused content.